Today, we're pulling up at AutoZone. I get this question all the time. How do I make my vehicle last longer? Well, I'm here to break that down for you. Okay, so I would imagine the average person walking through AutoZone and wondering what products to use. It's always recommended, if the car is newer, switch it over to synthetic oil. Make sure you got the right oil. You want to maintain your oil changes at 5,000 miles. Some cars recommend higher, but I still recommend 5,000, even if it recommends it higher. I know it can get confusing because there's so many choices. I personally like STP products. As far as oil filters go, STP also. You can get the extended life one or the standard one. Really, the ultimate goal, just don't skip oil changes. You can use the best or the regular. They work pretty much the same in my book. You always want to regularly check your air filter. Don't drive around a car with dirty air filter. It's going to ruin your intake valves, build up carbon, etc. I call this the wall of confusion. 90% of these products are junk. They're a gimmick. I'll show you a few that actually work. Hyperlube is a very good product to add in during an oil change, and so is Lucas. This is the only fuel treatment that I know for a fact works. It's made by Startron. It's a fuel enzyme treatment. You can use it every time. I always recommend using 93 high octane gas. It's cleaner. It's gonna keep your engine cleaner over time. All these other things that you see all around are gimmicks. Don't use those. Use that. Do not use a stop leak on anything. Always keep a little compartment with paper towels, gloves, your particular oil, your antifreeze. Check it regularly. If you're taking your car to get an oil change somewhere, if you don't want to sound rude, ask the guy, hey, can you show me how to check my oil? That just proves that he's got it at the right level. Check underneath your car. After the oil change, make sure that there's nothing leaking. If you really want to be sure, invest in a nice set of ramps. They sell them up at AutoZone. Get your own drain pan, your own basic set of tools, and do the oil change yourself. I realize this is a pretty popular subject, and I probably ain't gonna be able to take care of everybody's question in one video. So under the comment section, if you tell me what kind of car you have, I may be able to help you out on future videos on things you can do. We could probably set up a maintenance plan, give you an idea where to look, and pretty much go from there.